What are you doing for spring break? What are you doing for spring break? What are you doing for spring break?
Hi there, I'm Samuel. I'm from Colombia and I play soccer here at St. Andrews University. I'm a junior and I'm majoring in business administration. We've been so blessed that all throughout the year we've had in-person classes here at SIU. I know it's been a really tough year, but we've managed to do it. Of course, it's no mystery that sometimes we just need a break. So I was really glad when we had our spring break. I was able to go with my roommate and visit his family back in Virginia, where we had lots of fun. I know your spring break is coming up soon, so do you have any plans?
April 10th, there's going to be an open house here at St. Andrews, where you'll be able to meet students, you'll be able to walk a guided tour along campus, and if you're really lucky, you might be able to meet me. So if you really want to come, go to the website sa.edu, S as in Saint and A as in Andrews.edu. Mark your calendars, you don't want to miss it.